In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete task in Asana. Whether you're cleaning up a project or removing something that's no longer needed, deleting a task is quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through it clearly so you feel confident doing it on your own. First, open your project in Asana and locate the task you want to remove. You'll typically see your task list in the center of the screen. Click directly on the task's name to open its details pane on the right side. When the details pane appears, take a moment to confirm you've selected the correct task by glancing at the title, description, subtasks, and any comments or attachments. This quick check helps avoid accidentally deleting the wrong item, especially if tasks have similar names. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Tasks Details pane for the three dots icon. This is the More Actions menu. Click it to open a small menu of options related to that specific task. If your window is narrow, the menu might be tucked in a compact area, but it will still appear near the task's header. The three dots are your gateway to less common actions, including deletion. From the menu, choose Delete Task. Be careful here not to confuse delete with complete. Completing a task keeps it in your project history as done, while deleting removes it altogether. If your team relies on keeping a record of finished work, you may want to complete instead of delete, but if this task truly needs to go, select Delete Task. A confirmation pop-up will appear to make sure this isn't an accidental click. Read the message, and when you're certain, select Delete. This confirmation helps protect your project from unintended changes. Once you confirm, the task is removed from your project and will no longer appear in lists, searches, or boards associated with that project. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the delete task option, you might be in a project with restricted permissions and only certain roles can remove tasks. In that case, check with your project owner or admin. Also, remember that deleting a task removes its comments and attachments from regular view, so double check any information you might want to keep before you proceed. And that's it. Click the task to open details, use the three dots menu, choose Delete Task, and confirm. With these steps, you can keep your workspace tidy and your project focused on what truly matters.